Pretoria Boys High School is a traditional boys' school located on an 85-acre campus southeast of the city centre. The Agera Group installed a fully integrated audio-visual and stage lighting system that is managed under a centralized control system. The system is made up of the following subsystems: Crestron control system, sound reinforcement system JBL, Crown and BSS, AV presentation system via Extron video distribution and NEC projection, stage lighting system Strand and Chevet. The system is also able to accommodate online functions like lessons and conferencing.